Hello everybody! Today I'm going to be showing you my nighttime skin routine. People actually ask me about my skincare routine a lot. I used to have like super icky skin and I feel like I've gotten it to a really good place, and I'm going to show you the products that I used to do that. So first I put my hair into a bun. Okay, the first product that I use are these Neutrogena makeup wipes. This is like the only makeup wipe I've ever used. And I only use one because I'm going to go in with an oil cleanser in a minute. So I just use one makeup wipe. I wipe my face. And this is the only makeup I had on, so that's why I only use one. I typically don't have on like caked makeup. So the next thing that I use is something that I think has really made my skin so much nicer. I started using a cleansing oil as well. I started using a cleansing oil along with my actual cleanser. So I use the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil. And you just put this onto dry skin. So right when I wash off my makeup with my makeup wipes, I'll just put like a pump and a half of this onto my hand, rub it in, and then just pop this oil everywhere. And for reference, I have combo skin. I have like an oily forehead and oily cheeks, and then I have a dry nose and a dry chin, so. Lately, I feel like my whole skin has been dry. Because literally in the last video I did, I was talking about the Kylie moisturizer, and I was like, Kylie uses this, so I use it. But it made my skin like flake. It made it like scaly and super dry, so I'm not using that anymore. Also the eye cream, even though I like the toner, which I'm about to use. Okay, now I just rinse that off. Okay, next I leave my face wet, and I use Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse. This is my cleanser. It's so worn down, like all the labels are coming off because I only wash my skin at night. That might be kind of gross, but once again, my skin does get dry really easily, so oh my god, so much just came out. I never use this much, it just popped out. You don't need a lot of this. But yeah, since I get super dry, I just wash my skin at night, and then I will like use a toner on my skin in the morning to remove any dirt or oil that may have built up. Okay. Okay, so at this point in my skincare routine, I always use the same cleansers, and then my third product I switch out every, like I have like a 3-day rotation going on. So the first day I'll use the Sand and Sky Pink Australian Clay Mask, something like that. It's super good for pores, so I'll put that on. And then the second day I'll do this Peter Thomas Roth Gel Exfoliant. And then on the third day, I will use Glam Glow, like the gray clearing mud treatment. But today, I don't think I'm going to do any of them because I'm trying to film this video and those take time. My hair is I'm so sorry that my hair is such a mess. I can't handle it. We're just gonna pop it back down for the time being. Okay, so like I said, some of the Kylie products treated me super badly, but the toner, the vanilla milk toner, I'm really liking. There's no alcohol in it, which is like super important to me. I've been using a toner for like 2 years now, And it was the Dickinson's Witch Hazel Toner, and I was like, this is so great, I love it. But it has alcohol in it. Here, I'll show you this. It literally looks like milk. Yeah, it has alcohol in it, so that was like the main thing that drew me to Kylie's skincare. Was that there was an alcohol-free toner, and the fact that it's like vanilla milk was super appetizing to me. So I'm also gonna apologize now because I just realized that there's like a huge clock right to my left and it's been ticking this whole time, so sorry that might be super annoying. So I just toned my skin. By this point I don't have any more dirt to remove. I've done a lot of things already. So let's see, next I think I'm going to put on my eye cream. I honestly don't have a solid eye cream. It's like whenever I run out, I just buy a completely new one and I try something else. I think so far I've tried Shiseido, Benefiance, like Wrinkle, it's Contour something eye cream. That was the best one I've ever tried. It's super expensive, but it was amazing. And then I tried Pharmacy, like Do It All eye cream, and that one was pretty good. Tried Kylie's. It dried out. Even the skin on my eyes looked like scales, so stopped using that. So I'm just going to use this Elizabeth Arden Perpetual Moisture 24-hour eye cream. I'm almost done with this one, so I need to find a new one to try. I want to try a Caudalie eye cream. I have a sample size of it. It's just called the eye cream. It's super good. Okay, I just got my nails done today for the first time in my life, so I just like dunked my whole nail in that eye cream and that was disgusting. I need to learn how to use things. Then I just pat. Okay, so next, like I said, I used to have a lot of acne and I'm pretty clear now. I'll break out occasionally, but never super bad. And I need to like narrow down the parts because I have like 4 acne things and like I don't put them all over my face. I just put them where I break out. So I put them here and here, but it's a lot. I'll show you what I do. Some of these are like prescription, so not the best to be like, this is what I do, because you probably can't even get them. So first I use this isn't the prescription, it's Axone Dapsone Gel, 7.5%. I just put that where I break out. Next, Adapalene gel is really good for forehead breakouts, is what I found. This is called the Meltdown Acne Treatment by Bloom. I was seeing this on my Facebook. I kept seeing ads for it. And I bought it and I'm like halfway through it, so clearly I use it. I think that it's helping. I feel like I'll put it on if I have a pimple that's like came to a head and I put this on it, it will honestly really drop by the morning. And if it doesn't, I use pimple patches. Those are the best thing ever if you have acne or pimple patches. Seriously, it sucks everything out in a night. It's wonderful. That's like the main thing I tell people when they ask me how I got rid of acne or pimple patches, but I'm not using any today because I don't have any today. But it's just good, I think, to have those because like no matter how hard you work to not get acne, hormones, you know, milk, just like anything can give you a random breakout, and it's good to have those. Once again, I apply this Bloom where I think I might break out because I'm always super cautious about breaking out. But I did try The Ordinary's Salicylic Acid Solution. This is for blemish prone skin. So I'm just gonna also layer this on top of all the other acne products that I've used. And like, I've been doing this for a week and my skin is looking nice. So I used to be such a believer in like less is more, and I'm still a believer in less is more. I'm just not like a practicing believer right now because I'm doing the most for my acne. Next, this is kind of my skincare. I put on an eyebrow thickener from Medibrow. This is anti-aging. I don't think it's doing anything. I don't think it's doing anything for me anti-aging wise, but I just run this through my brows. Next, I apply this Laneige Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask. I love this stuff. I just apply it with the brush because I really don't want to put my finger in it. Just put that on. Check. Okay, next I'm in a dilemma because I don't know which one I want to use. I always use some kind of like moisturizing product. So last night I used the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask by Glow Recipe. Honestly, you guys, this stuff is so amazing. If I have dry, it smells so good, sorry. If I have dry skin, I'll put this on at night and I wake up and it's like everything has peeled off. It's really funny. I'll just have like peeled skin everywhere, but it's good because my skin is glowy and beautiful when I wake up. But right now for night, I just have this Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. It's good. It's not my favorite. Okay, so that is all for my nighttime skincare routine. My morning skincare routine, I use 3 things, and it's just the toner, the eye cream, and then the Drunk Elephant polypeptide cream. So it's definitely not as extensive as my nighttime routine, but I definitely feel like if I put in the effort at night and then I go to sleep and my skin's gonna rejuvenate, and then I'll wake up and I don't need to do as much. So that's why my nighttime routine is so intensive. Thank you so much for watching my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I wish you guys the best, most glowy skincare days in your future. Thank you. Bye.